LSU AgCenter has released another one of its 2019 Louisiana Super Plant Selections. This is also a certified Louisiana product. This year we're featuring the Lime Sizzler firebush. This is a tropical perennial that just loves the summer heat. It has a beautiful chartreuse yellow and lime green variegated foliage. It also has some red and orange veining and stems. And when this is flowering in the summertime, it has tubular, beautiful, profuse flowers that hummingbirds and butterflies just flock to for the nectar. It is very drought tolerant, very heat resistant. Once it's established, it can handle the humidity. It's very disease resistant, very insect resistant, just a typical Louisiana super plant. This can be pruned if you want to keep the shape. It stays about 4 to 5 feet in height and 4 to 5 feet wide. And it will die back in the wintertime, but it is root hardy here in Louisiana. Again, if you want to add some heat to your garden this summer, add a Lime Sizzler firebush and you'll get some beautiful, wow, popping color. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.